Hello, this is Teresa at the Pulaski County Public Library Teen Department, and we're going to be making your own little fabric wrapped gift box to hold either, you could hold some gift cards in there or something like that for Christmas. So all you'll need a empty toilet paper roll and some fabric, and I've pre-cut these into this little, about that size square. Of course, depending on how big your toilet paper roll is. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna have some ribbon, you're gonna have some tape, and I've used a little sparkly pipe cleaner. You don't have to, but so the first thing you're gonna do with your toilet paper roll, you're gonna like fold down on each side so that it kind of looks like that, and each side, so that'll be holding whatever it is you want to put in there, whatever will fit. And you're going to do that, and then you will flip over your material, and then you're going to just take it like this, and you're going to fold it, and then fold it once again, or you're going to tuck it in, actually this way. You're going to tuck this down here, kind of like that, and then you're going to fold it once again so that it comes together, and you just put a little piece of tape, kind of hold that little flap in place, and then you can put your ribbon around it. Whatever ribbon you want to. You can have this kind or the fabric kind. You can also, if you want to get a bow, just the bows, the Christmas bows that they have, you can also put that on there, and that would be good. And if you want to wrap this around, you could. Just different things you can do to put it together. But that's just a little simple gift box you can use for gift cards and things like that for Christmas. Gift box. Thank you.